is how you make Obattu. Take the stuffing, make a ball of it. Make enough stuffing balls for the day. This will suffice 3 servings for 4 people. The stuffing contains tur dal, jaggery, dry coconut, soap, jeera, til, and roasted split gram. All mixed well together with the liquid jaggery. Now ensure you knead the dough very soft with oil and water. This dough is ready. I made this yesterday and let it set for about 12 hours. Now it's ready. Just make small balls like half of what you made for the stuffing, half the size. Make it. Ensure you oil your hands well so that it doesn't stick to your hands. Make it like a soft patty with no gaps. It should be even. Then your Obattu will come out well. And here I'm using a non-stick paper. Before I start patting it and using the ball to stuff this, just adding some oil so that it doesn't stick to the paper. Here you go, the traditional way of doing this without a balan. Doing it for the first time, don't worry, just try thrice and the fourth time you get it right. Take one off the ball, keep it in the center, and then make sure you close it right. This just have to use both your hands, but since I'm recording, I'm just using my one hand. Makes it a little tricky, but I can do it. Yeah, there you go. You do that. Then the moment you do that, just give it a pat. Yeah. Then you just flip it around, add some more oil to it so that you get the proper consistency and it's round in shape. Well round. Just flip it once again for the last tap. Almost there. That's come out well. That round in shape, but I think this is good enough. This is really good. Now this goes on the hot pan tawa, alright? This goes in the pan. Here you can see nice Obattu Holige whatever you can call them. Few people call them chapati like my son does. Come out really well. You can serve them with hot ghee. I'll show you how. Make one of them. Nice cow ghee. Pour it on top of them as much as you like. Go there. See how crisp, soft it is. The stuffing, the flour is cooked well. Dip it in the ghee. There you go.